Okay, let's come to page number 44 questions. This is the last exercise. Okay. First question, find out the unit digit in the value of 224 divided by 4 power 32. 2 to the power of 224 divided by 4 to the power of 32. See, we have to first simplify the term. So we have 2 to the power of 224. We know that 4 is equal to 2 square. This is equal to 32. We know a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So this becomes 2 to the power of 224 divided by 2 to the power of 64, or 2 to the power of 224 minus 64. Here we use the formula a power m divided by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So the simplified form will be 2 to the power of 4 cancel, 22 minus 6 is 160. So we get the simplified form as 2 to the power of 160. Now they have asked the last digit. Okay, let's observe one thing. We know that 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 5 will be 32. 2 power 6 will be 64. 2 power 7 will be 128. 2 power 8 will be 256. 2 power 9 will be 512. 2 power 10 is 1024. 2 power 11 is 2048, so on. Now they have asked the units digit here. See, if you observe, the units digit 2, 4, 8 and 6 keeps repeating. So every fourth digit, every fourth power will be 6. Now what is 160? 160 is it comes as a fourth part, because 160 by 4 is a perfectly divisible number. That's why this pattern will repeat. So therefore 2 power 160 will be the last digit of 4, which is 6. Last digit will be the units digit. Units digit will be 6. Okay, next question. There are 5 bottles in a container. There are 5 bottles in a container. Every day a new container is bought in. So ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬಾಟಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿವಸ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ತರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so after 40 days how many containers? So after 40 days is a very easy question. After 40 days containers will be how many bottles? Number of bottles. The bottles will be how many containers? 40 containers. 40 containers into 5 bottles in each is equal to 200 bottles. So this is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 2 bottles. Next question, third one. Write the given number as a product of 2 or more powers in 3 different ways. So they have got 64 cube. We have to write in different ways. What is 64? We can write it as, can you 8 8s are 64. So we have got 8 square to the power of 3 or 8 to the power of 6. This is one way of writing. So what is 8? 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power of 6, which is equal to 2 to the power of 18. This is another way of writing. One more way can you write? Okay, you can interchange this. This can you write it as 2 to the power of 6 cube. This we got it as 2 to the power of 18 is already there. One more way, what can you do? Okay, I can write this as 2 to the power of 3 into 6, which is equal to 2 to the power of 3 into 3 into 2, or 2 to the power of 9 into 2, or you can write this as 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 9, which is equal to 4 to the power of 9. This is another way of writing. Second one, 192 to the power of 8. 192 to the power of 8. How can we express 192? 192 can be taken as, shall we try for 2? Let us find the prime factors. 2 92s are 246 are 223s are 192, right? Yeah, it is 192 to the power of 8. To 23. Further 23 you cannot do anything. So we have 192 as 2 to the power of 3 into 23 to the power of 8. This can be written as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 8 into 23 to the power of 8. You can also write this as 2 to the power of 8. This is 24 into 23 to the power of 8. This is one way of writing. You can also take 192 to the power of 8 as 192 2 into 4, which is equal to 192 square to the power of 4. This is one way of writing. Another way of writing is 192 to the power of 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so this 192 square you can do it and keep the value, or you can leave it as it is. Okay, so this is second one. What is the third one? 32 to the power of minus 5. 32 to the power of minus 5. This we know 1 by 32 to the power of 5. This is one way of writing. Also 32 can be written as 2 to 4. 32 is 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So 2 to the power of 5 to the power of minus 5, or 2 to the power of minus 25, or 1 by 2 to the power of 25. Okay, so this is another way of writing. This is the third one. Okay, now let's come to the fourth question. Where is the fourth question? 3 is over. Now the fourth question. Let me add a page here. Fourth question, let's take it outside. Examine examine each statement below and find out if it is always true, sometimes true, or never true, and explain your reasoning. First one, what you have? First question is, we have cube numbers are also square numbers. So they are saying that a cube are also square numbers. So you can express cube numbers. For let us take an example. Cube number 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 2 cube is equal to 2 cube is equal to so 2 cube can be written as example 2 into 2 into 2 to the power of 3, or 2 square into 2 to the power of 3. No, this will be confusing. A cube numbers are also square numbers. Let us take the example of 2 only. Okay, what is 2 cube? 2 cube is equal to 8. But is 8 a square number? Is 8 a square number? No. So it is not true. Are there any cube numbers which are also square numbers? Let us try. a sixth, let us take a sixth power number. What is 2 power 6? 2 power 6 will be 64. So what is 60? Can I express 64 as 4 to the power of 3? So we have 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 4 to the power of 3. So in this case, cube number is a square number, right? So always is not, never true is not correct. So only sometimes true is the answer. When is it true? If you have any number which is to the sixth power, any number which is a sixth power will be a square as well as a cube number. So it is only sometimes true. Sixth power ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗಿಯೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, a to the power of 6 can be written as a cube to the square or a square to the power cube. So it is a square number as well as a cube number. Second one, fourth powers are also square numbers. Fourth powers are also square numbers. That is, a to the power 4, we can write it as a square to the power of 2. So it will always be true. Any number you take, if you raise it to the power of 4, it will always be a square also. Correct? So always true. This value holds good for all values of a. So the second one is always true. Let's come to the third part. What does the third say? Fifth power of a number is divisible by the cube of that number. Fifth power of a number is divisible by third power of cube of the same number. I am converting the sentence to a mathematical form. That is, any number, let me take it as a to the power of 5. Okay, fifth power will be a to the power of 5. Now, is this divisible by its third power? No. So what is a to the power of divided by 8 power a cube is equal to a to the power of 5 minus 3 is equal to a to the power of 2. So here no remainder. So it is divisible. And is this always true? Yes, always it will be true. So always true. Next one, the product of a cube number, product of two cube numbers is a cube number. Okay, fourth one, product of two cube numbers. Let's say a cube into b cube. What is the formula we have? A into b to the power of cube. So it is always a cube number. So always true. Fifth one, q to the power of 46 is both a fourth power and a sixth power. Let us see. How can you express q to the power of 46? The only way you can express q to the 46 is q square into 23. So this is equal to q square into q to the power of 23. Will this be a sixth power? They have given q is a prime number, so you cannot further express it. So can this be a fourth power? No. Can this be a sixth power? No. It is not always, it is never true. You cannot express this in the ಬೇರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 2 ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರು, 23 ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. q also they have given as prime number. So is this a fourth power? No. Is this a sixth power? No. So never true. Okay, next question number 3. We have write the given numbers as product of two or more powers in 3 different ways. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 or more powers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು in 3 different ways. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ. ಆಯಿತಾ? product of two or more powers. And for example, if they have given a cube, then we have to write it as b cube into c cube. Okay, something like that. Let us start with first one. We have got 64 cube. What is 64 cube? How can you write 64? 64 can be written as 8 8s are 64, 8 into 8 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 cube into 8 cube. This is one way. Further, how can you write 8 as 2 cube? So 2 cube into 2 cube to the power of 3 equals to 2 cube to the power of cube into 2 cube to the power of cube, or you have 2 to the power of 3 into 3 is 9 into 2 to the power of 9. This is another way of writing it. We can also write 64 as 16 into 4 cube, which is equal to 16 cube into 4 cube. This is another way of writing it. Then we have matten madabodu 2 in the tagondre 2 into 32 cube, which is equal to 2 cube into 32 cube. You can also write this as 2 cube into, what is 32? 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 will be what? 2 2s are 4, 4 4 16, 2 to the power of 5. 32 is 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 3. You can write this as 2 cube into 2 to the power of 15. This is another way of writing this. Okay, so different ways we have written. Next, what is next number? 192 to the power of 8. 192 to the power of 8. So what is 192? 192 can be written, we will write the prime factors of 192. 296 are, 248 are, 224 are, 212 are, 26 are, 23 are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can write this as 2 power 6 into 3 to the power of 8. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 8 into 3 to the power of 8, or we have 2 to the power of 48 into 3 to the power of 8. This is one way of writing. What else we can write? Can we take this as 2 2s are 4 into 16 3s are 48, 48 into 4. So we can write this as, also we can write this another way as 192 can be written as 2 to the 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 12, 16 into 12 to the power of 8 is equal to 16 power 8 into 12 power 8. Many ways you can write. You can have different answers for this. Further, you can also write this as 4 into 48 to the power of 8 is equal to 4 to the power of 8 into 48 to the power of 8, or you can write this as 2 square to the power of 8 into 48 to the power of 8, which is equal to 2 to the power of 16 into 48 to the power of 8. Multiple ways you can write this. One day answer antenilla. Okay. Further, 48 you can also write this in much different ways. So we have got sufficient numbers now. Next will be 32 to the power of minus 5. 32 to the power of minus 5. This is equal to 1 by 32 to the power of 5, which is equal to, you can write, or let us keep it as it is. 32 can be written as 2 into 16 to the power of minus 5 is equal to 2 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 5. Okay. We also can write this as 8 4s are 32 to the power of minus 5 is equal to 8 to the power of 5 into 4 to the power of 5. We can also write this as 2 cube to the power of minus 5 into 4 to the power of minus 5. That is, you can write this as 2 to the power of minus 15 into 4 to the power of minus 5. You can also write this as 2 to the power of minus 15 into 2 to the power of 2 to the power of minus 5 is equal to 2 power minus 15 into this 2 to the power of minus 10. Okay. So this is another way of writing this. So many ways we have got. So that, okay, 3. Next comes 3. Okay, next question. Circle the numbers that are same. Okay, they have given 4 numbers and we have to circle the numbers which are same. So let me take this. We have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Copy. I will take this here. So to find out what we have to do, we have to convert these each numbers. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, 6 to the power of 4 into 3 square. What can you rate 6 to the power of 4 as? 6ನ 3 into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ, to the power of 4 into 3 square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is nothing but 3 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 4 into 3 square, which is equal to 3 to the power of 4 plus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 4 ಮತ್ತು 2. So into 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 4. So is the first one same? So we have this number ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು. This is also equivalent to, we have got this as 3 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 4. Okay. So are these two same? ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದೇನಾ? So these two numbers are same. Okay. Now let us take this 6 to the power of 10. 6 to the power of 10 can be written as 3 into 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 3 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 10. Further, can you simplify this? Idu same agutta? They are not same. Okay. So this number is different. Now let us take this number. 18 square into 6 square. 18 can be written as 3 into 3 3s are 9 into 2 to the power of 2 into 6 can be written as 3 into 2 to the power of 2. Correct? So this further will become 3 square into 3 square into 2 square into 3 square into 2 square. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 2, which is equal to 3 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 4. So this number is also equal to 3 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 4. Idu same ಇದೆಯಾ ಈಗ? ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರು ಮೂರು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಅದ 6 to the power of 24. 6 to the power of 24 is equal to 6 can be written as 3 into 2 to the power of 24 equals 3 to the power of 24 into 2 to the power of 24. Are these two same? Not same. Okay. So we have got these three numbers as same. Ivu mooru same ide. Okay. Let's come to the next question. Identify the greater number in each of the following. ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Copy. See, first one. See, we have to make either the base as same or the exponent as same. But here it is not possible. Okay. So what we will do is we will expand. What is 4 into 3? 4 3s are 4 into 4 into 4 will be 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. This will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is 81. So therefore, which is bigger? 3 to the power of 4 is bigger. Okay. Next, adhe tara we will take this. See, here we have got 2 to the power of 8 or 8 to the power of 2. Here there is a possibility. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಬೇಸ್ ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ? 2 to the power of 8 ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೋಣ. or 8 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 cube to the power of 2 ಇದೆ. Okay. So this becomes 2 to the power of 8 or 2 to the power of 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So exponent ಯಾವ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So here which number is bigger? Here we have this number as bigger. 2 to the power of 8 is bigger. ಅದೇ ತರ let's do this. 100 square or 2 to the power of 100. 100 square or 2 to the power of 100. This is also very simple. 100 can be written as 5 into 2 into 5. Okay. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು 2 to the power of 100 will be a very very large number, whereas 100 square will be what? 100 square will be 100 is 10,000 only. But let us try to solve it mathematically. 100 can be written as, can you convert it into 2? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, or you can say it as or 2 power 100. Here we have 2 to the power 2 square into 5 square to the whole square, or 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4, or 2 to the power of 100. Naturally 2 to the power of 100 is much bigger. Okay, so we've got this. Let's start the next question. Question number 9. A dairy plans to produce 8.5 billion packets of milk. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ, in a year, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 8.5 billion packets. What is 8.5 billion? $8.5 billion ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೈರಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 10 to the power of 6. 1 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 10 to the power of 9. 1 ಟ್ರಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 10 to the power of 12. This you should remember. Okay. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ 8.5 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8.5 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 9 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಯರ್ ಕೋಡ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 1 2 3 4 ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ಈ ಥರ ಕೋಡ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯುನೀಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಯುನೀಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ನಂಬರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 0001 ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 0002 0003 ಹೀಗೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಅವರು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ 0 to 9 ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ದ ಕೋಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟಿಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕೋ, ಇಲ್ಲ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕೋ, ಇಲ್ಲ 5 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕೋ ಅಂತ ಆ ಥರ ಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 2 ಡಿಜಿಟಿಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 10 to the power of 2 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟ್ಲಿ 10 to the power of 9ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ. 8.5 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 9 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 10 to the power of 9 ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಎ 9 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ 9 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ದೇಗೆ 10 to the power of 9 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದು ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? 10 to the power of 9 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8.5 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 9 ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ದೆನ್ 10 to the power of 9. 10 to the power of 9ಗಿಂತ 8.5 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 9 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ 10 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 10 to the power of 10 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೌ ಈಸ್ 10 to the power of 10 greater than 8.5 into 10 to the power of 9? ಎಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಬಟ್ 10 to the power of 9 is lesser than 8.5 into 10 to the power of 9. Correcta? Therefore, they need at least 10 to the power of 10 combinations. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ 10 ಡಿಜಿಟಿಂದು 10 ಡಿಜಿಟಿಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. They need a 10 digit code. Okay, let's come to the next question. Question number 10. 64 is a square number and a cube number. ಅಂದರೆ 64ನ ನಾವು 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಹಾಗೂ 4 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬೋತ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ 4 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 6. Okay, now shall we try 3 to the power of 6? 3 to the power of 6 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 square cube is equal to 9 cube, or it is also equal to 3 cube square is equal to 27 square. Correct? So what is 9 cube? 9 cube is 81 into 9, and on the 9 it means 729. So this will be 729. So this is another possible combination. So 729 on the number row, it is both a square and a cube. Correct? Yaudrudadu, it is a cube of 9 cube and 27 square. So ಇದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು observation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? See, when can it be both a square and a cube? Any number that is a square ಮತ್ತು cube can be expressed as a cube and a square. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ a to the power of 6. ಸೊ the meaning is any number which is a 6th power is also a square and a cube. So 6th power ittu andre it is both a square and a cube. Okay na? ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, if you take a to the power of 6 is equal to a cube square is equal to a square cube. a ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ? 729, which is nothing but 3 to the power of 6. ಅದೇ ಥರ 4 to the power of 6 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. 4 to the power of 6 will be 4 cubed square or 4 squared cube. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ 5 to the power of 6, even that will be a both square as well as a cube. Next, the worldwide question number 11, sorry. Question number 11 ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? A digital locker has a alphanumeric. ಅಂದರೆ alphanumeric ಅಂದರೆ it can be alphabet as well as numeric. ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಟು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಗೂ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕ್ಕು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ 0 to 9 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, A to Z ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲಾಕರ್ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲಾಕರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, G89P0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸಚ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ನಾವು ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ? 2 ಡಿಜಿಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ 0 to 9 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ 0 to 9. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 to the power of 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 10 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 10 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 10 into 10 ಆಗಿ 10 to the power of 2 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನಿದೆ? ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 0 to 9 and A to Z. So how many combinations we get? 10 plus 26, that is 36 combinations we get. So ಅದೇ ಥರ we get 36 combinations here, 36 combinations here. So we get 36 combinations here also. How many we have? We have 5 digits. So total number of combinations will be 36 into 36 into 36 into 36 into 36, or 36 to the power of 5. So many combinations we get. Next, 12th question. What does the 12th question says? The worldwide population of sheep in the 2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ population of sheep is equal to 10 to the power of 9, and that of goat is also about the same. So sheep ಇಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು goats ಇಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್? ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 10 to the power of 9 plus 10 to the power of 9 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 9. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಅಂದರೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of 9 equals to 10 to the power of 18 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಹಾಗಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Okay, so when it is addition, it is 2 into 10 to the power of 9. So the correct answer is 5. So you have to be careful here. Next, 13th question. Calculate and, what does 13th question says? Calculate and write the answer in scientific notation. Scientific notation andre hege gottalla nimige? You have to express any number if they have given any number, adanna ನಾವು we have to express as x into 10 to the power, you can say a into 10 to the power of b, where this number will be between 0 and 10. In between 0 and 10 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ scientific notation ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, so let's take the first one. If each person in the world had 30 pieces of clothing, each person in the world has 30 pieces of clothing. Find the total number of pieces of clothing. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಹತ್ರ 30 ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಿಂದು? ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ 8 into 10 to the power of 9, I think. So it depends on the population of the world. It could change. Okay. So 8 into 10 to the power of the, say, population of the world is 8 into 10 to the power of 9. Therefore, total cloths ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cloth is equal to ಒಬ್ಬನ ಹತ್ರ 30 ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇಂಟು 8 into 10 to the power of 9 is equal to 240 into 10 to the power of 9. Scientific notation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ? 240ನ we have to convert it as 2.4 into 10 to the power of 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This scientific notation of this is 240 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is 2.4 into 10 to the power of 2 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 9 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2.4 into 10 to the power of 11. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. There are about 100 million bee colonies. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 100 million bee colonies? Total bee colonies is equal to, total bee colonies is 100 million. 100 million ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 100 into 10 to the power of 6. Find number of honey bees if each colony, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾಲೋನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 50,000 bees ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಾಲೋನೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 50,000 ಇಂಟು 100 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 6. ಇದನ್ನ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 50,000 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 50,000 ಈಸ್ 5 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros ಇದೆ, 4. 100 ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು? ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 2. This will be 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 6. So this is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 12. This is the answer. Okay. Next, third question, part 3. The human body has about 38 trillion bacteria. Human body, ಒಂದು human ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ one human carries 38 trillion bacterias. Find the bacterial population residing in all humans. So total humans ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Say 8 billion is the population. Okay, so total bacteria ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So total bacteria will be 38 trillion into 8 billion. This we have to express in scientific notation. This becomes, what is 38 trillion? 38 into 10 to the power of 12. See, this is 38 trillion. Okay, ಅದೇ ಥರ into, what is 8 billion? 8 into 10 to the power of 9. So this becomes 38 into 8 into 10 to the power of 12 plus 9. So what is 38 into 8? 8 8 are 64, 4 6 carry, 8 is 24. 304 into 10 to the power of 12 plus 9 is 12 plus 9 is 21. So this is nothing but, now I will convert this into scientific notation. So this becomes 3.04 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 21 is equal to 3.04 into 10 to the power of 23. 21 plus 2 is 23. Okay. So now let's come to the next question. Interesting. Total time spent eating in a lifetime in seconds. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್. ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಬಾಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೇ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 60 years. ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊ 60 years is how much? 60 into 365 days is equal to 0, 6 5 are 30, 0 3 carry, 6 is 36 plus 3 9, 3 carry, 6 3 is 18, 21. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮದು ಲೈಫ್ ಇರೋದು 21,900 ಡೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಬದುಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಒನ್ ಡೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಬೋದು? ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 20 ನಿಮಿಷ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? 60 ಇಂಟು 60 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3600 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ 3600 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 21,900 ಡೇಸ್ ಇಂಟು 3,600. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 219 ಇಂಟು 36 ವಿಲ್ ಡು 219 ಇಂಟು 36. ಓಕೆ. 9 6 are 54, 5 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11, 1 1 carry, 12 13 plus 27 7 2 carry, 5 3 2s are 6 4 8 7 8 8 4. So we get 7 8 8 4. 219 ಬಂತು, 36 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು 0 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 2 3 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 7.884 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5 digits. So this is the scientific notation. Now let's come to the last question. Last question ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? What was the date 1 billion seconds ago? 1 billion seconds ago ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? So 1 billion seconds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? We will have to convert it into days now. 1 billion seconds ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? 10 to the power of 12 seconds. ಇದನ್ನು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 1 ಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? 1 ಡೇ ಈಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲ 1 ಇಯರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. 1 ಇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 365 ಡೇಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 365 ಡೇಸ್ ಇಂಟು 24 hours. This is equal to 365 into 24 into 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 60 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 365 ಡೇಸ್. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ 24 ಗಂಟೆ, 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ 60 ನಿಮಿಷ, 1 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ 60 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 3,50,000 ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3.1536 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಾವು 1 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು? 1 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10 to the power of 12 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 1 billion seconds is equal to 10 to the power of 12 divided by 3.1536 into 10 to the power of 7. ಇಷ್ಟು 1 billion seconds ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು years ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 divided by 3.1536 into 10 to the power of 12 minus 7 is equal to 1 divided by 3.1536 into 10 to the power of 5, or I can take it as, ಇದನ್ನು division ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, so I can make it as 10 divided by 3.1536 into 10 to the power of 4. ಇದನ್ನ division ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ say approximate 3.15 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು approximate ಮಾಡಿ we get 3.1746 roughly into 10 to the power of 4, or we can say 31746 years. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? I think some calculation mistake, but this is how you do it. Let's do it once again. We get 365 days in a year into 24 hours into 3600 is 31536,000 seconds. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1 billion seconds ಅಂದರೆ 10 to the power of 12 divided by 10 to the power of 7. Okay, so this many years, correct, this is correct, no problem. Okay, so this is how you, this is just a mere calculation they have done. I think it comes to 1 billion is, okay, sorry, I made one major mistake here. This is 1 trillion. See, 1 billion is 10 to the power of 9 seconds. So this is not 12, this is 10 to the power of 9. So this becomes 10 to the power of 9 minus 7, or 10 to the power of 9 minus 7 is 2. So this becomes 10 square. 10 square. So this is, so this is nothing but 31.746 years. See, if you make one small mistake, what is the effect it has? Okay.